Days after a Supreme Court panel indicted former Supreme Court Judge A.K. Ganguly in an exclusive interview with Vice-Chancellor of West Bengal Law University in Kolkata, Ishwara Bhatt, the VC has said that law should be allowed to take its own course. He said that the Executive Council will be taking the law intern's complaint very seriously and that the intern has so far not filed any specific complaint.
See, that is the Executive Council which has to decide on this issue. Yes, according to the law, it will be done.
Do you feel that the justice is being denied because it is being delayed also?
See, we have certain procedures to follow and we will be doing that, and meanwhile he is not coming to the university. Okay.
He has been asked not to come to the university?
Not like that. There is no work at all. There is no work.
But will he be continuing in the university? Will you continue to keep him as one of the professors here?
See, formally it is the Executive Council which has to decide, and next semester he has no such a subject to teach.
So
okay.
Do we say that his term has ended and he will not be hired again?
See, that will be formally it will be decided by Executive Council. As Vice Chancellor, I am not in a position to say on behalf of Executive Council well in advance.
Does the Executive Council take notice of the attitude that he has shown, and do you feel that it is completely unacceptable?
See, Executive Council takes into consideration all the matters. Yes.
And the intern case has been taken very seriously?
See, intern case will also be taken into account. That will be taken into account. So far, we do not have any specific complaint from the intern.
That was the Chancellor talking to us exclusively and also giving us a hint that Executive Council will take the final decision. With camera person Chitrabhanu Pathak, this is Manogya Loiwal in Kolkata for Headlines Today.
Right, and Manogya is joining us live this afternoon. Manogya, growing demand for Justice A.K. Ganguly to step down from the position of Chairman of the West Bengal Human Rights Commission. Also, his future at the West Bengal Law University now under scanner.
Well, absolutely, and it's very grim also because no new classes have been assigned to him. Sources have been telling us that the next semester he wouldn't have any classes to teach, and that perhaps comes as a clear indication that even the university does not want him to continue on board. After all the allegations and all the tainted remarks that have come against him, he is still not in a position to take a stand. We spoke to him in the morning also, very agitated, and urged Justice Ganguly, said that it was none of our business to ask him even questions, and he said dare not ask him any questions. The statement coming from a senior person like him was at a complete unexpected remark that came from him. But perhaps one thing is very, very clear in this case, that he is certainly under a lot of pressure, and today being Human Rights Day, we expect him to speak at a function around 5:30 today, where even Somnath Chatterjee would be present. So you could expect even some more remarks coming in, and what would be his stand will be more clarified by the evening.
All right, Justice A.K. Ganguly likely to make his stand clearer by this evening. Manogya, thanks so much for those details and also for that interview with the Vice-Chancellor of West Bengal University, saying the final decision on Justice A.K. Ganguly's tenure at the university will be taken by the Executive Council.